Had to switch it up, man. Them Jordans was hurting my feet. Hey, sir. Here in my spot. It's for the S15. Any, mini, miny, mo. I'ma take this hoe. Sorry, guys. I'm a little hyper. I got my coffee, so you in for a treat. Oh, that was close. Low key, these doors are kind of dangerous, bro. Like, they'll swing open and then they'll swing open some more if you just tap it. I'm gonna put a nice red dent in mi chica's car. It's definitely not loud enough, but we gonna fix it soon. What's up, fucker? The screen is pissing me off. I can't get the CarPlay to work. On setup, CarPlay is here, but it's on, but it's plugged in, and it's just not working. So, yeah. I don't know. Have to figure this shit out later. That guy's hair is insane work. He has no hair right here. Then he has just like a little ball in the back with a ponytail. That shit crazy. I've never seen no shit like that. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, can't complain. Another day, another blessing. We obviously coming at you live from the ZR1. It's fucking my turn, bitch. One thing I always forget about these vets, you really gotta throw them shits in the gear, bro. Like, there's no light shifting in these cars. You know how, like, when you just be lazy and you kind of just want to, like, nah. That motherfucker will grind, bro. Oh, damn. Somebody lost all their schoolwork. They got papers everywhere. Yo. Damn. God damn, bro. Imagine that's, like, all of someone's important tax documents. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got ADHD like a motherfucker, bro. Like, I'll be talking and doing one thing, and then, bow, like, something else just comes to my mind and I gotta say it. What gear am I in? Oh, I'm in second, that's right. I be forgetting, bro, these long ass gears, bro. I be feeling like I'm in fourth gear, but. I can't wait till we mod this shit, bro. It needs some bolt-ons, Soon, man, soon. One thing at a time, one thing at a time. Working with a monster. But yeah, man, what we got going on today, I'm actually headed out to LA. My boy Alex is doing a shoot with like some popular e-bike guys. I don't really know like the full scoop on it. I just know they're doing like some kind of shoot at like a warehouse, and then they're doing a ride out. He was just like, yo, if you want some cool content, you can pull up. I know you're into bikes and shit, so I was like, you know what, why not? I'm just gonna try to get in the mix and record some fools doing wheelies and shit, something, I don't know. I have no idea what to expect for today's content, but I'm here for it. But yeah, man, we'll hop back in this video when we pull up and see what today got in store for us. All right, guys, we just pulled up at the location. God damn, bro, I gotta do these headlights. I need to talk to Chevrolet. What were y'all thinking? Y'all did everything right. And just, what was that? What was the purpose of that? Like, y'all trying to copy Ferrari? Like, you already made the car look great. So yeah, man, they have like a whole scene for this e-bike shit. It's insane. Got their little brand going on. It's like the infamous, famous bike that burned down. Damn, that's just cooked, bro. The tires, everything. Bro, these e-bikes are so sick. Sheesh. Man, making me miss my Suron now. This one's clean. Oh shit, almost looked like mine. Mr. Alex is getting his e-bike cherry popped.
So it's literally like, it's one gear, you don't have to switch gears. So always keep a finger on the rear brake in case it comes up. That rear brake's gonna save you from bringing it back down. So just ease into it. Don't go pinning it right away because you'll feel it. Yeah, put on one. And then always keep one finger on that rear brake on the left.
Alright guys, so they're actually gonna give me a bike to ride. I was like, hell yeah. I was gonna take the car, but
I'm gonna give you a rundown.
yeah.
Dude, what's crazy to me, guys, is I'm a huge YouTube watcher, and if you guys know me beforehand, I used to love cars. I used to make car content because of this guy.
What up, babe?
Kicks,
What's
baby,
cracking?
let's go.
What's good, G? What's good?
So he's actually gonna be riding my ERide because he came to the pop-up event. That's on. There's a middle mode. I don't know what the middle mode is for, but all the way to the right is on.
I bet.
And just to start, you push P, and then you'll see on the screen. You'll see on the screen that it's ready. It's alive. It's on park right now. That's ready. And then this is eco mode and sport, and then you can play around with whichever one you want.
Yeah.
There is no front brake, but there is a rear. So this was
that's all you need, man. That's all you need.
That's all you need. You riding the ERide?
Yes, sir.
Oh, God.
ERide kicks.
The no front brake?
Don't need it, bro. Oh, damn.
I just witnessed that.
Savage title. What's your guys' channel so I could link it?
Dylan Chugga, and then Red Chugga.
Fire. You guys know what to do. Got into the bikes. It's crazy because I started my YouTube like 20 years ago, damn near, with bikes.
No, really?
Like, yeah, on my dirt bike, yeah. I was like one of the first people with like GoPro 1 just doing wheelies and shit.
Oh, there you go.
OG, man. Crazy, bro. It's insane.
Bikes are just too much fun, bro.
Yeah, now they're fun, bro. I love them. Never gets old.
Yeah.
Never, never. I wonder if I could wheelie this thing. Damn, I got the new shoes on too. Try not to feck them up today. Sport 1, 2. I don't even know what. This thing got a check engine light? That's crazy work. It's torquey. It's a hella torquey.
Oh yeah, it's super. What motor are you on? Oh yeah, you're not even on sport.
Nah, I know, right? Sheesh. I'm kind of scared to wheelie this motherfucker. I might fucking fall. Holy shit. This thing's got hella power. So this is a 72 volt stock. Not gonna lie, I might witness me eat shit today. Dang, Mr. Ali Images. Watch that camera, dog.
I'm scared, dude.
If you're scared, go to church.
Everything's found on the Instagram if they need it.
Got my brother on my Ultra V. Let's go.
I'm not used to it at all though. It's just so different than my Suron. Like when you tap it, it's like whoop. You good over there, Alex? I won't go too crazy on this bike, it ain't mine, so.
I'm going straight.
We are turning right on Figueroa.
I know it.
Good call.
Figueroa, I know where you going.
I'm going straight.
Hoeing. Smells like piss and hot dogs.
The piss or the hot dog?
A little Lotus. A little Amira. fuck? There's so many people. And they got the e-bike game on lock. That shit is fucking huge, bro.
Yeah, it's a big ass.
It's just bigger than a 450.
It's bigger.
That's crazy. God
Heavy
damn.
too.
Hey, Kicks, what's up, bro?
It's cracking, G.
I was like, am I tripping or is that Kicks?
Nah, it's me, man. I got invited to this shit, so I was like, fuck it.
I see you sold the Suron, so I thought you didn't even have no more.
I don't. They let me use this.
Oh, hell
Yeah, I rolled up to like the little warehouse spot. They're like, you want to ride something? I'm like,
That shit was fun. I was like, he looks
well, that looks familiar, huh? You guys all gonna ride out to the spot?
Yeah.
That shit's fun. Dang, a little man out here. Little two-stroke. Ring, ring, ring. big ass dog. That dog about big as shit. It's like the Sandlot dog.
Yo, we should go to that big road jump.
That little kid.
I got the spring from this and put it in.
I don't know, guys. I might have to dip. Low key. I might have to dip. I don't want to be too late. What's good, G? It's cracking. ERide Pro or some shit. They let me ride it. I don't know.
I don't have a sister. She died in a horrible.
The plan was not to do all this riding. We were supposed to ride to that meetup spot and then head back to the warehouse. But yeah, I might have to head back. Look at all the people. Shit crazy. That shit wild. I'm not trying to get caught in the dark, bro. I ain't trying to get hit by no damn car. So yeah, it sucks that I had to ditch the pack, but I gotta get back, man. I got things to do. Shit. Still kind of far, low key. 8 miles. Damn. Somebody mink. See? Dangerous. Gotta watch it. Little 1M. Sheesh. Very nice. Really sick. Alright guys, we made it back. I'm surprised I still have battery. Oh man. Woo. That was actually fucking fun, not gonna lie, man. Huge shout out to the boys letting me use the bike. I had a blast. That shit was super fun. And we made it back, guys. Whew. We definitely have enough content for a full video, so I'm just gonna end it here. I know there wasn't any car activities, but I know there's still some people that follow me that F with the bike stuff, so honestly, shit was mad fun. I had a blast. I wish I could have stayed for the full ride out, but like I said, I needed to be home. Definitely stay tuned. We have some more stuff coming for the ZR1, and I gotta get that thing started over there. She's dead as a doorknob. So gotta bring the 2J out soon here. And yeah, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel,